Today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 175 different strategies, with 56 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator, and since we've been keeping track, it has so far outperformed 65 of the strategies. Every single one we've put it against. We've also tested a total of 997 indicators, with 421 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says new reversal indicator, 98.96% highly accurate buy sell signal. And so of course we're going to put that to the test. I can pretty well guarantee that you're not going to get a 98.96% win rate out of this. Out of the hundreds of indicators and strategies that I've tested, none of them have been able to achieve over a 95%. I'm not sure, usually it's in the 80%. Consistently in the 90s, not yet, not that I've seen. And so, but who knows? All right, so what we'll do is just go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. First indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be reversal indicator. So you just type in reversal. It's going to be this one right here, the very first one. So you'll add that to the screen, and basically what it gives us is these red and green arrows. And so we'll jump into the settings real quick, go to the inputs. You're going to change the look back to 21 and the confirm to 5, and click OK. The next indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the standardized median proximity. This one right here. And it will look like this. Let me get it to load here. It'll look like this here on the bottom of the screen. Again, we'll go into the settings, and on the look back, you'll change that to 20. On the standard deviation, you'll change that to 2. And the upper boundary, you'll change that to 3. And then you'll click OK. And so what we're looking for is when the reversal indicator gives us this red arrow like this, or a green arrow like this. Specifically for a short trade, we're looking for the red arrow, and then we're going to look down to the median proximity, and we want the red line to be in the red zone here towards the top. And once those two line up right there, that's going to be our signal to then enter into a short trade. We're going to put our trade right there, short trade. We're going to set our stop right above the last swing, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. You see we make a nice little push straight down there, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is going to be the green arrow like this right here. We're then going to look down to the median proximity, and we want that lower green line to be down into the green shaded area. And once we get those two lined up, it's going to be our entry into a long right here. Again, stop right below the last swing, and we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And again, a nice push, getting us to our take profit again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades, putting it at a 50% win rate. So on the winning side, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your drawdown would have been $10,000 for a total gain of $5,000 altogether. Not too bad of a strategy, actually. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator, though. During the same period of time, we did 48 trades altogether. We had 42 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 86% win rate. Now, if you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $25,200 on the losing side. You'd have lost $4,680 for a total gain of $20,520 in about 1 month of trading. And so significantly better returns. And even if you cut that down by a fourth or even an eighth on the risk, then you can see how you would still have gained a decent amount during that same period of time. And so if you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. And so it's super cheap for a profitable trading strategy. You also have to maintain your Patreon status as well. And so let's go ahead and look at the weekly signals. And so this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs, this one crypto coin. On the 30-minute time frame, each week we keep track of the signals that it would have given us. And so last week, give us 5 trades altogether, 3 winning trades, 2 losing trades, 60% win rate, a gain of $240 on the Forex pairs. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning, 1 losing, a 66% win rate, would have been a gain of $420. So this week, or that week, it would have been a total gain of $660 altogether. Add that to the 9-week total, and we would have been at $18,040. And so when I say in a matter of a couple weeks, a couple months, you can earn tens of thousands of dollars, you can see how that's easily achievable with just a few Forex pairs and a few handfuls of trades each week. And so, all right, so for this strategy here, we're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list. I do like this one. I think it did pretty well. I don't think it's the best one that we have tested besides the Academy of Forex Indicator, but it's definitely up there on the higher rank. And so, like I say, going to put it on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.
Fake it till you make it A, and if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst I say and turn them to a game.